The three-phase SmartGuard generates an alarm and is standby. Alarm for 210, one short circuit if backed up appliance is generated. Keep the bypass circuit breaker off. Solution: maintenance, upgrade. Select the latest version. Next, upgrade. If the alarm persists after the upgrade, power off the system. Turn off all circuit breakers in the SmartGuard. Use a multimeter to measure the resistance between phases of backup loads.